For decades, one place on Earth has captured the world's imagination. Countless ships crossed these waters without incident, but others seemed to vanish, leaving behind only questions. Over time, stories grew into legends. Some blamed forces they could never explain. But the deeper scientists explored, the more extraordinary the truth became. Because the greatest mystery of the Bermuda Triangle was never the sky above it. It was the world hidden beneath the waves. And that's where our journey begins. The Bermuda Triangle isn't marked on any official map. It has no warning signs, no visible borders, and nothing about these waters appears unusual. Yet for generations, this region has become one of the most talked about places on Earth. Countless ships and aircraft have passed through without incident, but every so often, the journey ended with more questions than answers. Stories spread, newspapers reported mysterious disappearances, and over time, isolated events became a legend known around the world. But legends often begin with a single story. And one event changed everything. Then, on December 5th, 1945, a routine training mission took off from Florida. 5 U.S. Navy aircraft, carrying 14 crew members, climbed into the afternoon sky. It was a flight they had completed many times before, but as the mission continued, radio messages suggested the pilots were becoming uncertain of their position. Navigation was becoming increasingly difficult. Communication slowly faded. The aircraft never returned. An extensive search followed, yet no confirmed trace of Flight 19 was ever recovered. Flight 19 was only one of many incidents that fueled the legend of the Bermuda Triangle. For decades, theories spread across the world. Some pointed to unusual magnetic fields, others imagined lost civilizations or forces beyond human understanding. But extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. So scientists asked a different question. Instead of searching the sky, they turned their attention to the ocean below. And what they discovered was far more remarkable than the myths themselves. Beneath the surface lies a world that few people have ever seen. The ocean floor here is anything but flat, towering underwater mountains, steep cliffs, and vast valleys stretch for hundreds of kilometers. Over millions of years, powerful geological forces shaped this remarkable landscape, hidden in the darkness. These formations remained largely unknown until modern exploration finally revealed them. As scientists explored further, they found a region shaped by powerful natural forces. Deep beneath the surface, enormous ocean currents constantly move vast amounts of water across the Atlantic. In some areas, the seafloor also releases natural methane gas, trapped beneath layers of sediment. These discoveries revealed just how dynamic and complex this underwater world truly is. But could they explain the Bermuda Triangle? The answer is more complicated. For years, many believed these natural forces could explain the disappearances. But careful research tells a different story. Scientists have found no single piece of evidence proving that methane gas or unusual magnetic fields are responsible for every reported incident. Instead, each event has its own circumstances. Weather, navigation, mechanical failure, and human error often provide more realistic explanations. The Bermuda Triangle remains one of the world's most enduring mysteries, not because science has found every answer, but because the ocean still holds countless secrets. Beneath these waters, there are mountains, canyons, ancient geological formations, and entire ecosystems that few people will ever witness. Perhaps the greatest discovery was never about what disappeared above the waves, but about the incredible world hidden below them. And as technology continues to explore the deep, one thing is certain: the ocean still has many stories left to tell.